So still working with this first movement example, I have filled out the first three categories for us. So we're working with an earth movement with a water quality dominant, and the water portion of the body, the central body, is leading the movement. That refers to Jose Angeles Silvestre's technique with the triangles of the body form. Now we're going to fill out the next four sections of the nature movement language table. So we have time. We're working with a movement that's timing goes boom, 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 ba, boom, 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 ba, boom, 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 ba, boom, 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 ba, like that. So I'm going to choose to notate that like this. Three dots for the boom, boom, booms, and a little diagonal line for the ba. That's where the foot slides back to begin the boom, boom, boom again. Okay, now we have space. So if my total space is this area here, from that recycling can to that tree approximately, this movement takes up about an eighth of that space total, about a fourth of that width. So I'm going to get my little table. And for this movement, I'm going to describe it in terms of the width. So I'm going to write 1/4, and then I'm going to write width. For direction, we're going to use north, south, east, west.